Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you children? I hope you are fine and keeping well at home. So I am going to take here Eureka Plus Standard 1. Okay. Here plants around us. That means second chapter. First chapter already you have completed. A question answer, whatever videos, everything I have given to you. I think. Okay. So today we are going to start lesson number 2. What is the title of the chapter? Plants around us. So there are different kinds of plants around us are there. Such like we used to see sometimes banyan tree, betelnut tree, coconut tree, palm tree, banana tree, whatever trees, plants are there. There are different kinds of plants around us in our locality, in our rural area, is not it? So in town area there are very less, a few number of plants you have to see, used to see. But in village area, in rural area, if you go, plenty of different kinds of plants you used to see or you will able to get. Okay. So therefore, plants are many kinds. So there are different kinds of there. According to the planetary types, no. Some are very big plants are called trees. Some are creepers. Some are this one what's called climbers. Is not it? Creepers very small in size. Climbers. Those which plant they used to climb and they used to go in by through vein, no. Isn't it? Climb. Basically we used to growing at home also. Okay. And then now you see. Next is there plants grow everywhere. According to season, according to place, the plants they used to grow everywhere. Such like if I say in this season around us, around our environment, there are various kinds of plants are there. They are growing or not. Even though very hot, if you go in desert place, it's very hot. At night time it become very cold. Is not it? Because of that, there is only short. There will be a few time little rain there is. Even there will be little rain, then also there will be plant. So what kind of plants like cactus? Is not it? Cactus plant is there or not? So therefore, there are according to plants, different kinds of plants around are there. Such like desert plants are there. This and hilly area if you go. Hills areas also there are different kinds of according to place, according to they are suitable which season they used to be suitable according to that the plants they used to grow up. Okay. Next is there plants need food, water, sun, air, water, sunlight and food to life. So plants is one kind of living thing, is not it? So living thing, that means plants living thing. Living thing, what are the main things? Living thing, three things basic they need. They need water, they need air, they need food. So one more excessive sunlight is there. The plant they need sunlight because the plant they used to prepare their own food in their leaves. Because how do they prepare their own food in their leaves? Sometimes during daytime. So sunlight they used to get it during daytime only, no? So during daytime. In the presence of sunlight, they used to collect from the air carbon dioxide. Whatever we are living carbon dioxide, no? And then they used to collect through the stem from the roots. Okay, from the roots. Addition, whatever they need, water, again any other minerals they need, they used to collect and they used to prepare their own food in their leaves. That is why they need sunlight also. During night time there is no sunlight. That is why during night time they can't prepare their own food. Okay. So therefore they need these four things. Very essential for them to survive their life. So guys, I hope you understood whatever I have said. And question answers I will try to give you tomorrow. Okay. So here only I am going to conclude my class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.